Hello, my crochet angel. How are you? I hope all is well. Welcome back to my channel and my Facebook page. Today, I'm going to show you a wooden yarn ball. This ball is really useful. I buy this one from Michael. You can see it's so heavy, so it's not moving. This ball is really useful for crochet yarn, so our yarn will be safe. So here is the back side and brand name description about this product. So I just read all a description about this ball and I really like it. I will use this one for my yarn. If I use this one, my yarn will be neat and clean, no dust, that everywhere is dust. If I use this ball for my yarn will be neat and clean. So now I'm going to show you how I use my yarn with this ball. So I open this label and I open this yarn. Now I put in this hole. You can see it's very easy. Just twist. Now I pull this yarn and yarn is coming very easily. So now I can work very easily and my yarn will be safe, neat and clean. So look at this, I just pull and it's come very easily. So I can work very easily. You see, it's very beautiful. I love this ball. I hope you'll love this ball too. And you can see it's coming very easily, very nice. And it's not moving because the ball is really heavy, so it just stay here. So now I can work smoothly. So when I finish my work, I put it down here and the hook I just put in the hole so it's safe. So look at this one, it's so pretty. So if you are a crocheter, you can buy this one. I hope you'll like this ball and you will work very easily. It will be helpful for you. This ball I buy from Michael, which is situated in New York City. But I hope this Michael store will be every state. So if you are in USA, you can find your Michael store and you can buy this one. And there have so many sizes, but I like this size because I use this small yarn, and that's why I like this one. But if you want to buy a bigger, you can find bigger too. If I go anywhere like for visit or vacation in the beach, I can bring this ball and I can crochet it over here very nicely. So if you are going to any vacation, you can bring this one too. It will be good for you. You can do crochet anywhere, any place, no problem. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell button for getting my new video update notification. Or if you already subscribed my channel, thank you so much. So happy crochet. Bye bye.